A dental implant is used to replace a missing tooth. When a crown is fitted on top of the implant, it gives the appearance of a natural tooth. The procedure begins with a surgical incision to expose the bone underneath the gum. The jawbone is then prepared for the implant using a number of drills to create a socket which is the correct size for the implant. Threads are then cut in the socket and the implant is inserted into the jawbone. Next, a zirconia abutment is placed on top of the implant and secured using a screw. Zirconia is used because it gives a better aesthetic appearance than other materials. A laser wand is then used to scan the gum so that a 3D model of the abutment and adjacent teeth can be created. The dentist then uses computer-aided design software to model a custom crown. The crown is then automatically milled from a tooth-colored material using computer-aided manufacturing technology. When complete, the crown is sent back to the dentist, where the dentist adjusts it to match the color and shape of the teeth before it is finally cemented in place over the abutment.